Alright, welcome back everybody. We're going to look at the number line. Here we go. So we're told that here's some numbers, and we're supposed to put them in the right order and maybe kind of put them on this nice line here. This line, it's got an arrow at the end here. It's got an arrow at the end here, but there's nothing in between. It's looking kind of empty. So what are we going to look for here? Well, we got positive numbers. I'm going to put a 0 here. Sometimes you need to know your starting point. This is where we're going to start. We're going to start here with a 0. All right. And this is where we begin. And we're going to go maybe like 1, maybe 2, maybe a little more. I don't know. Let's find out. So here we got 2.1. Where's 2.1? Well, that's over here. 2 and a little more. Here we go. 2.1. I'm going to put it on the top of the line just so it doesn't feel too crowded, you know. You gotta give them their personal space. It's okay. 1.07. That's very, very close to here. Here we go. 1.07. And you notice that even though it says in the correct order, I mean, I don't have to try sorting them out ahead of time. I can put myself some reference points so I know where I am and where I'm going. And then I just find out where they should go. 5/2. If I'm feeling like I don't know what 5/2 is, I can always grab my calculator and I can say, 5/2, what are you as a decimal number? I do know what 5/2 is though, so I'm going to say, look, 4/2 would have been, if I had 4 pieces and the pieces were all half a chocolate bar, how many chocolate bars would I have? I'd have 4. I'd have 2 chocolate bars, not 4. Oh my goodness. 5/2. If I had 5 pieces and the pieces were all half a chocolate bar, I'd have 2.5 chocolate bars. That would make me very happy. So that would be over here somewhere. 5/2, also known as 2.5. Those are the same number, just written down in a different way. Sometimes we want to change it up and look different than we usually do. 11/22, that's going to be, oh my goodness. Well, that looks kind of fancy, but it's exactly half of that, so it's probably the same as 0.5. But if you don't feel like you remember that, you just go to your calculator and you type in 11 divided by 22. And it's going to say, look, that's equal to 0.5. That's why your calculator is helping you out. It's a good friend. Here we go. 11/22. Also known as 0.5. And if you're writing this down for me to see, you can put any one of these. I don't care. It doesn't make a big difference. There we go. Look at this. Our number line is complete. We got all the numbers in the right order. We can check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We didn't miss anything. That's perfect. Great.